Hey guys, Jason Guyman with ChristmasLightsTraining.com. So today we're going to talk about how we can make the extension cords look professional and how not to hang your extension cords. Right here you can see the extension cord is just hanging down the wall. This is unacceptable. This is not good. That looks like crap and looks like garbage. And so today I'm going to show you how we make where you won't even be able to see the extension cord. And that's what we want to do. We don't want to be able to see the extension cord. Extension cord's coming off the gutter and going straight down to the ground. What we want to do is we want to route this extension cord. I don't know if I'm going to be able to reach it from my ladder placement here or not. So what we want to do is we'll take a clip right here and we'll put the clip on it and we'll slide that clip right down in the back here. See if I can get a better view of it. So we slide that clip right down there behind that gutter, and then we'll put one down at the bottom, and normally we will put this on the back side of the gutter, but so we will take it. Let's see if I can see it there. Is it going to zoom in? Nope. So right here's that extension cord coming down. So I put it in the clip there, and we're going to come down here to the bottom. You can put it in the gutter right there, but sometimes it's just easier just to take that clip and just, like I say, you can clip it right there. Kind of push that wire back in there. Now, you can see, you can barely see that wire coming down that wall, and that's what we want. So the purpose of that is when we go to take down, all we have to do is grab this wire right here and pull it, and it'll pull that top clip out, and the next thing you know, we can just pull all our lights down, and that's the goal. You can see right here, you can't see our extension cord coming down no more, and that's what we want. We want it to look, we don't want to be able to see power cords and crap just ran everywhere. We want to make it where you can't see that kind of stuff and make it look really good. Hope that helps you out. If it does, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have a great holiday season. Thanks.